I think another thing to think about is if you are starting a renovation, is to build in the budget your furniture and your lighting. A lot of times when you're working with a contractor without a designer, you're not talking about furniture at all, and you're not talking about the light fixtures at all. They'll kind of give you a budget, and it's not usually a really big budget, and you're spending all of this money for either an addition or a new kitchen, and then you're coming at the end of the project and the funds aren't there. So I would really recommend, that is something that I talk about a lot, that you build in that budget early on and you start that process early on. Lighting is a very important part of making a room really get over the finish line of what you're trying to accomplish. If you spend $100,000 on a new space and then your light fixtures come from a big box store, everything is just kind of fallen flat. So it's really very, very important that you build in that budget early on so that those details really shine and complete, your vision.
And that includes areas that extend outside of the home. If there's a renovation in the exterior of the home, a patio, we can help you with that as well. So that's something really to plan ahead.
If it's a special project like that, you want to have the perfect furnishings and accessories.